In this tutorial, you're going to learn how to lock a folder in Windows 11. If there's a folder you don't want all eyes to see, it's important to lock them in your computer. This method still works in Windows 8 as well as in Windows 10. So let's get started. Click the File Explorer of your computer. Navigate to a folder. So in this case, I want to get into Documents folder. So I'll click on it. Create a folder in this Documents folder. So I'll click on New, click on Folder. Then give the folder a name of your choice. In this case, let me name it Confidential. Press the Enter key for the name to be saved. Double click on the folder for it to open. Right click inside the folder. Click on New. Select the option Text Document. Then give this new text document a name. So let's say log file. After giving it the name, press the Enter key of your computer keyboard. This log file has been created now. We need to take further steps. So double click on this log file for it to open. As it opens, there is a code you need to paste inside this file. Okay, I have the code in the description below. Also, I have it in the comment section. So this is the code. So I'll copy it and I'll paste it here. Take a look in the section your password. Erase this and then type the password you want to use to log the folder. So let's go with GTech23. Okay, I have now added password in this text document. So you add your own password. And remember, don't forget the password. So after that, click on File. Select Save As. In the Save As type, click Dashboard and select All Files. In the file name, add .bat, a small letter, and then click on Save. Now close this. Okay, we now have two files here. The log file, that is the one of bash, that's bash file, and the initial one we created. At this point, this initial one is no longer important to us, so let's delete it. And we only have this bash file. So double click on this bash log file, that is the bash. Now we have a private folder here, and this is where we are going to paste the file we want to log. So I will double click on the private. Let me minimize this window. Then let me get to the file I want to have inside this folder. So I'll minimize this as well to the right. This is the private. So let's assume this is the file I want to lock inside this folder. I will drag and drop. All right, so we have a file here now. I'll close this. I'll maximize this. Then I'll go back. Okay, as we have private and lock file, anytime we want to exit this folder, we must lock it. So I will double click on the lock file. On this page that shows up, it says, are you sure to lock this folder? Y stands for yes and N stands for no. So we will type Y. After that, press the Enter key of your computer keyboard. And now we have locked this folder. So let's close it. Let's assume tomorrow you want to access the folder. Let's see what happens. So I'll click on File Explorer. As the File Explorer opens, click on Documents, which is where I created the folder. Then the name I gave the folder is confidential. So I'll double click on confidential. Then see the log file. That will double click on it. Now you say enter password to unlock your secure folder. And remember, what we used at the initial stage is GTech23. After that, I'll press the enter key of my computer keyboard. And now this has opened. So I'll double click on private. And here is the file we initially placed in the folder. So anytime you want to exit the folder, ensure you lock before you exit. And for you to do that, double click on lock file. He said, are you sure to lock this folder? As usual, type Y and press the enter key. And here, this is locked again. I hope this guide helps. Please do like and subscribe to my channel.